Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to disable WhatsApp auto update. Now let's begin. Let's simply move on to WhatsApp right here. Do note that I have already updated WhatsApp to the latest version. If you have not, do update it right now. Now let's simply go to settings. Right here at the top right, here are the three dots, simply click on it. Something like this will open up. Now let's simply scroll down to settings. Once you're in the settings page, well, there are lots of options like accounts and everything. Just scroll down to the very bottom and you'll find something like app updates. Let's click on it right now. Now it's giving me two options, auto update WhatsApp. So let's simply toggle off this button. It's gonna ask for our confirmation. Let's simply turn it off. And you can also turn off notifications for when WhatsApp update is available. Well guys, that's it. That's how you disable WhatsApp auto update. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.